Hey guys, today we're going to buy this Snuggles furniture pack. So this is it. All I want here is the what's that? The one in the bottom. Because I'm going to make sure there's a lot of toys. There you can see. So what I want. I'm going to buy it. Okay.
So my mom here is beside me.
My mom here is beside me. And then,
We're using Gcash.
we're using Gcash.
Dikit na recording. Teka lang na.